Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting video of solving LeetCode problems. Today we are talking about the problem number 1431, kids with greatest number of candies. So here's the problem statement. Given the array candies and the integer extra candies, where candies of I represents the number of candies that the ith kid has. For each kid, check if there is a way to distribute extra candies among the kids such that he or she can have the greatest number of candies among them. Notice that multiple kids can have the greatest number of candies. So if we see the example, so the candies are 2, 3, 5, 1 and 3. So if we add extra candies to this first candy, so it will become 5, and 5 should be greater than equal to this 5, so we have to return true, as we can see that. And same for 3 plus extra candies, 3 plus 3 is 6 and 6 is greater than 5, so here again true. And you can see there is 1 plus 3 is 4 and 4 is not greater than equal to 5, so we have to return false. So first let's code the problem, then we will do the try run of code, then you can understand it clearly. So we have to return list of boolean, so we can make it list of boolean answer, new ArrayList. We have to return a list, right? And the length of the list would be same as the candies dot length, right? First we have to find the maximum among this number, these candies. We have to find the maximum candies among them. So for that we can make a max variable, and in start we can store a minimum value, min value. We can store the minimum value in the max variable, so we can find the maximum among the array. So we can use a for loop for it. It will start from 0 less than candies dot length and plus plus. So we can use math dot function, math dot max of what, candies of I and max. So whichever would be max, it will store in the max variable. So by this we can find the maximum among them, as we can see. And for the condition we have to use another array. We can use a for each loop for a candy in candies. So we need a variable result So we have to write a condition for it. What we are checking, 2 plus 3 should be greater than equal to maximum candies. So 2 and 3. 2 is what? The candy plus extra candy should be greater than equal to what? Max, right? Max variable we have found there. So in result, if it is true, so we can add answer dot add result. Simple, right? And we can simply just return answer. I guess that's it. We can check if there is an error. I guess there are no errors. Let's try to run it. Oh, good. So as we can see, all the test cases are accepted. Let's try to submit the code. Okay, so it is submitted. If you didn't understand it, you can understand it by seeing the dry run of the code which I am going to do. So as we can see the test case, we have given array 2 3 5 1 3. So these are the candies and extra candies are 3. So first we have created a answer of ArrayList. So answer would be empty, right? So it would be in the start of the program, answer would be empty. Right? And when the program will run, so maximum will be calculated. So what is maximum among them? So our max value is 5. Maximum value is 5, right? And for each candy we have running loop for each candy. So as you can see, boolean result, we have created a variable result. So what will we go in result? What would be stored in the result variable? So it is candy plus extra candies. So our first candy is 2. So it would be like 2 plus extra candies are 3. So the condition like 2 plus extra candies are 3 should be greater than or equal to, maximum is 5. So 5 is equal to 5. So condition is true. So it would add true in our list. So our answer list would be like true. Correct, right? And in the second, the value of candy would be increased. So the second number is 3. So again it will check the condition. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 greater than equal to maximum is 5. So yeah, it is again true. So it will just add it here true. And again 5 plus 3 is 8 and 8 is greater than max. So same, it will again write here, it will again add here true, and same, and this will go on. And if we talk about the time complexity of this code, so we are using two loops. For one loop is for finding the maximum variable, and the second loop is to iterate each candies of a candies array. So the time complexity is so the time complexity would be big of n plus m. N would be the first loop and m would be the second loop. So it will be final big of n time complexity. I hope you understood it clearly. And there you have it. We have successfully solved LeetCode problem 1431, kids with the greatest number of candies, using Java. I hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to like and share for more coding tutorials. Until next time, happy coding.